Zack with FTx here. We're continuing our series on Altria's 2026 Digital Trade Program. Today, we're going to go over reporting and maintenance and compliance. So, I'm cheating a little today and brought in my expert, Adem. So Adem leads our Lifeline team and seems to be able to solve just about any problem I can throw at him. So Adem, welcome.
It's a pleasure.
So in this session, we're talking about reporting, maintenance, and compliance. We're going to start with reporting, but really before that happens, there's a few things that need to take place, correct?
Correct. You're going to need, from Altria specifically, your actual login credentials. And Altria, of course, has to know who you are to get you in their system. That's step number one. And of course, after that, once you have the credentials, you need to know what site to forward these FTP files to and what subfolders need to go in.
Gotcha. And where do they get that from? The rep?
It'll be Altria's rep. Or of course, if you already have a login, you can get that from the website as well.
Terrific. So now that they have their credentials and Altria's given them the thumbs up to continue, what's next?
At this juncture, you're clear to actually begin configuring your report, and that is going to involve putting in any emails that you wish to receive notifications of when these individual files send and successfully send, as well as to set up individual loyalty code overrides for your scan data files pertaining to, of course, as we discussed in the previous video, your loyalty discounts. Now, another neat feature about this is that you don't necessarily have to be there to submit these every single time. You can, of course, set these to automatically submit using our automatic submission settings.
And that's pretty much just like scheduling a report, right?
Exactly right, correct.
And once that happens, it's pretty much an autopilot.
You set it and forget it, and of course, you need to monitor your email and ensure that you are paying attention and then verifying whether or not any errors come through, and if they do, we're here to help.
So that brings us up to the maintenance and compliance. So is there anything additional involved there?
And within maintenance and compliance, you're going to want to ensure that you are staying up to date with your Altria rep on any changes to these discounts, whether they are for loyalty, multi-pack. That way you are going to not receive errors, or I should say, increase the likelihood you will not receive any errors.
Gotcha. And the best way to do that is through their portal?
Correct, through your portal within the Altria website.
Right. And in addition to that, we want to make sure the cashiers stay on top of AVT.
Correct. You want to make sure you're age verifying at every stage and every sale that involves an AVT required product.
Gotcha. So in addition to that?
At that point, you're pretty much good to go.
Set it and forget it?
Correct.
Well, that wraps up this session. And as you can see with FTx, once you have things properly set up, it's really a breeze to report and stay compliant. So Adem, thanks again. I always feel smarter after hanging out with you.
Oh, you too, Zach. You teach me a lot.
So if people want to find out more about us, what should they do?
Well, I think you should go and check out our YouTube channel, or if you prefer, go on goftx.com. And if you don't know that channel already, it's going to be FTx POS.
And don't forget about those FTx Academy training videos. Thanks again, and until next time, take care. Hey guys, quick note here. While we work hand in hand with Altria and have always been compliant with all of their programs, sometimes things do change. So make sure you check with your rep to ensure that you are compliant with all their current guidelines.